Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, I will teach you guys how to create a very simple Hello World program using C++ as our programming language. Before we continue, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. In any programming languages, not only in C++, C, Java, Scala, C#, Pascal, Visual Basic, ASP.NET, PHP, Ruby, and so on and so forth, the most common example for every first program is the Hello World program. So we are already here in our div C++ IDE. So the first thing that I will do is to write a comment. Let's say for example the /, the comment in C++, hello underscore world .cpp. This is the file name and then the extension of our program. Next, name of the author, in this case yours truly, me, Jake Rodriguez. My middle name, Pomperada. Okay, let's say we have here a date. Today is October 7, 2019, Monday. The time right now is 8:52 p.m. here in the Philippines. Next, sharp include IO stream using namespace std standard and main open and close parentheses. Now take note, this int main is a function in every C++ program. When we run our program, the first thing that our compiler will do is to search this particular function, the int main. It is the starting point of our program execution, and then we simply write console out for output, console out, left shift operator, and then we will have the word hello world semicolon. The next step that we will do is to save our work. Press Ctrl S from our keyboard. We will create a folder here, and then we will name the folder to hello world. Double click, and then we will write the file name hello underscore world.cpp. Hello underscore world is the file name of our program, and .cpp is the extension for our C++. Click the save button. After we're through, the next step that we will do is to compile our program. Go to execute, click compile and run, or press F11. We will check for syntax error. Okay, there is no error, and then our program executes. It displays the word hello world in our screen on the console. Very simple and very easy. That's it. That's all, guys. So in console out hello world semicolon. If you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for my upcoming new video tutorials. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Until next video tutorials, bye bye for now.